All right, so this is a helmet I've commissioned for my twin brother. He wanted a Wolverine helmet. Now I know Wolverine is not normally blue and orange. He's usually blue and yellow. But my brother plans on wearing this to his favorite sports teams, one of his favorite sports teams for soccer, which happens to be FCCinnati. And so he likes to attend the games. And he wanted a really cool helmet that could fit his beard and be able to wear to the games and still see the game pretty well and look freaking sweet. So this is what I've done for my brother, and it is looking nice. Now I plan on putting back straps on here. I didn't want to do the very back part of the helmet, and so I didn't want to do that. So I'll add a back strap to it, and he wants a little bit of breathability and not get so hot while he's at the game. So I thought that was the best idea, not put the full back on it. But it is looking really, really nice. Very impressed with how it turned out, and I'm sure he'll be very happy with it.